Guys, what's going on? It's the next day, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I finally got those bolts back from the powder coaters, so no complaints there. So what I'm gonna do is start assembling the rest of this on here and the trailing arms to the actual back link. And then after I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and start bolting up the front end stuff. So as you can see, I got that Kelderman drop bracket on for the front sway bar, which is that red one right there. So that's good, and then that's with those brackets there and brand new bushings up there. So yeah, I'm gonna sit you guys down on the tripod and I'm gonna start banging out this rear quarter. So let's get at it. Alright, so as you can see, I got the rear link system together. Camera died on the second battery now, but this was easy. You just gotta obviously twist these on. You take your measurements and yeah, just mock that up. This is just sitting here, it's not tight by any means. But yeah, so that 4-link is done. And as you saw, I got these air tanks on. So this is actually a purge tank that goes straight to the bag and then runs out to this tank. And then this is another purge tank that goes straight to that bag and then runs out to this tank. So what I did for this is I just made up a bracket here through the frame, and then it just mounts right down there nicely. And yeah, so that's what I did for that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this front left-hand side, and that way we can get some more of this stuff gone, essentially, because the rear is 100% complete until I receive my axle from paint, which I just got word a couple minutes ago that that's going to be not until next week, so that's kind of unfortunate. So yeah, rear's done. As you can see, lots of red, lots of nice. just saw, front's done, this side. Pretty easy. You just gotta drill 2 bolt holes at the top, and then you gotta drill 2 holes and tap into the actual frame. And then this is all pretty much modular. There's a nut down there, and yeah, vice versa. So off camera, I got this side done as well. So both front struts or airbag sections are done. The whole rear is done, except for the fact of putting the axle underneath there and then putting the piece underneath. All the air tanks are installed, not plumbed, but just installed. Same with the air compressor. As you can see down there with the air dryer and all the other goods. So that wiring is gonna run up along the frame rail and then go up into the engine bay for power and all that other jazz. Now these get mounted to the pieces that go underneath the actual frame, or underneath the actual axle, which is these pieces. It gets mounted there, and then the axle sits in there. So tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is I gotta get these trailing arms all set up underneath the truck, because they go from right there up to the actual kit. So yeah, watching guys, appreciate it. Hopefully my axles will come in tomorrow, which I don't think they will, but I'm just hoping that they will. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day guys. I'll get back at you with the next one.